haven't been able to do slime climb yet. Well, I watched it, but yes! Finally slime climb. Yes. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Fall Guys again. Yeah. Hey, I want to see my emotes. Like, I don't even know how to do them. Or theatrics. I want to see. Friendly wave. Funky chicken. Meaner. Okay, I get it. Wait, I have a wait, how do I do that? The plinth drop. Sure, whatever. Let's play. Whee! If you can get the mammoth, that would be so cool. I don't know if you guys remember that from the last episode, but I just rolled. I don't really know why I rolled, but I did. Come on, get 60 peeps. Oh, no, not 60 peeps. Door dash, break through the doors and make something else on my fake. When I first played this, I thought it meant like some finish lines are real and some finish lines are fake. Oh no, those ones aren't cameras. If we're on a game show, then where are all the cameras? Like, dude, you can't just have a game show without any cameras, can you? Hey, wait, there is a, oh, where even are we? I don't know how they're recording this. Full speed. What? On the first one, there is a wrong one. I had no clue about that. That's weird. I didn't really know that actually happened. Oh, I'm tumbling around. Look at everybody. Everybody's filing into this one hole. One person makes a hole and everybody comes through it. Because they know that they don't want to waste their time just making dumb, possibly dumb guesses. Oh, come on! Is that enough to beat me? I really hope not. Come on. Oh, yes! I qualified. Oh, I wonder who won out of those people. Oh, there's a dinosaur with a... Where is he? There's a dinosaur with a... Where is it? Is it that one? Oh, it's that one. That was last of all. Well, 40 qualified. Let's see. And I haven't been through that. Like, I haven't played Slime Climb. I haven't. Like, I'm always on these other ones, like Dizzying Heights. I don't really like it. Never really experienced the other better ones. Well, I don't know if they're better, but come on. Where's me? There's me. Yeah! I glitched. Hey! Stop it! That's rude. I was doing it to you, but it's still rude. Don't listen to me. Hey! Why am I even fighting this thing? By this time I could have been on the other side. Nope. The big bad wolf. I've got his toes. Whoa! Okay, we wait for this guy to pass. And yeah! Oh, we got another one. On both alleys that are near me. Come on. You can make it. I know I can. Ooh! Okay. Ready. What? Just do it quicker. There we go. And push me, push me, push me. Thank you. Oh, no, push me. Like, actually push me. And then you push me too. Thank you. No! Aww. I didn't look at the score. Maybe I jump over the edge. Oh, I can't even do that. Can I do any emotes while I'm here? Well, I lost. Oh, there we go. I really want that cells thing. I just don't know how I'm gonna equip it with what good. I don't know if I'll have any good colors for it. Wait, I'm just gonna check. Oh, I do like red, but if there was green and there was green and blue, like a lime green and a blue, any sort of blue, I'd be very happy. There probably is out there, but I have to unlock it. Oh, we got 59. Oh, there we go. DoorDash again. I've lost this before. I don't want it to happen again. And then you fall. How satisfying. Where am I? Oh, I'm in the front. That's me, right? Is that me? Where? What? Hey, go back to me. Yeah, it is me. Hi. Haha, the jumping jacks. Getting ready for the... Oh, come on. Why do I keep on getting the... I'm an underdog again. But in the last one, I came back barely, or in one of them. I don't know if it was the last one or not. Let me through. Poor Triceratops is just trying to like go through everyone except the one that's I'm going for the underdog one. The one with less people and less likely. Whoa, I'm lagged. Logan 137, the wolf thing. Oh no, I'm not making it, am I? Not this time. No think. Style points. Or oh, come on. Stumble chums. Let's go. I'm like the mammoth though. Wait, let me check. Camo. Squiggly camo, but pigeon. Cooey. Oh. Triple. Rookie. Ooh. Yeller. Oh, you can change your face too. Hot dog. Steel. That would be pretty cool. Hot dog. Ooh, paint dipped. Night sky. Chicken. Hunter. Ocean dreams. Jack in a box. Ooh, zebra stripes. Well, let's go. Play a game. Don't be sad, mister. I wonder when I'll actually like win a whole thing. Like get like, you know, be first, last person standing. Be so fun. It's probably not gonna happen anytime soon, but okay, good. Actually, I got this one last time. Maybe I can get it again. What do you guys think? I may do some off-cam, like, playing, after. Just, like, Oh, come on, I'm in last. Well, that doesn't mean I'm bad. Woo! I got bashed. That's gonna move. Ooh. No. I should have gone for the other one. I made it over. Very unhealthily. Come on. Let me over. Why are you not opening? Okay. Oh my god, when I leave it opens. Oh, come on. Let me through. Well, I lost because of all of that, didn't I? Whoa! Thank you. Ow! Hey! Not nice to push people. Okay, that's gonna work, isn't it? I could have made it if I was just a little bit quicker somewhere else. Yeah. Thank you for the stuff. Don't really care. Do I not have any base color other than pink? Although it looks white in that. Yeah, it's actually purple. Depends on the light it gets. Those white things that come, which is the wind, looks like knives trying to stab my fall guy, but they're only going around him. Come on. Oh, only 40. Oh, wow. Went from. It just gained 11 players. I just want to emphasize that. Start the game if people aren't joining. Oh, thanks for listening. Oh, are you kidding me? Why? Oh. Oh, some of those are the hot air balloons are cameras, maybe. Dun, 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 dun. That's not a real song. It's just me saying random notes. No. Why is there no weight on this one? Oh, now there is. I'm out. Ah! Bye. Oh, that was a bad idea. I should smack my face. That's a bad idea. Yeah, this one. That's much more promising. Timmy the Tim Tam. I'm gonna get you, Yale Explosive. XD Duggins. Aware Surface. What are these names? People's names. I mean, what kind of names? A-H or A-Train. Whoa! This is terrifying. I hate this map, or this game. If you're gonna put me on a game show, make me at least play the games I want. Okay, another checkpoint. That's awesome. Wait a minute. You guys see how many people there are? Is that enough for me to win? If I can just get on this one purple thing. Seesaw. No! Yes! Come on. No, don't fall. Don't fall now. This could be a win. Yes! Come on. Wait, can I like... Oh, okay. He pushed me in. Oh, I can actually spectate for once in my life. Any dinosaurs? Any dinos? Anywhere? There's gotta be a single dinosaur somewhere. No? There has to be a dinosaur. There we go. Come on. Yay! The dinosaur. Let's go, dinosaur. Come on. You got this. Yeah! Any other cool things? People are taunting. Oh my god. There's only 3 spots left. I'm gonna I don't think there's any dinosaurs. Yep, no, there's no dinosaurs. I'm gonna watch this guy just taunt everybody as they try and come. Oh, there's a pigeon that's about to win. I would go in. Go in now, go in now. You went in, perfect timing. Top 50%. And bye, pigeon. I don't know which pigeon it was, but bye. Hey. Oh, those are cameras over. Like, I can't zoom in on this, but like, come on, do something we haven't done before. 'Cause there's so many that I have not. Team tail tag. Oh, I haven't played so many modes, which I do want to, but okay. Let's go to one of the whackers. First thing we do, go to a whacker. Go to a whacker. Whack me. Oh no! Nope. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out of here. Sorry about that. Yep, I'm so sorry. I just... I shouldn't have gone on the slime, should I have? How are we doing? Oh! We're not losing. Come back! Yeah! Oh god, now we're losing. Yeah! Go! Okay. Maybe I can, you don't have... Oh my god, one of my teammates does. Ow! Yeah! Yeah! Oh! That green chicken's got one. Where did it go? Oh, it's a green dinosaur, sorry. Oh, there's a yellow dinosaur. Ow! Oh, he's coming down. I've got him pinned. Oh, come on. I'm coming for ya. I'm getting this green dinosaur. I'm pretty... Is that my tail? Is that my... Chances are that's not my tail. Are you kidding me? Our team lost? Well, that's fine. Let's get out of here. Ugh. At least I got one round. I mean... And that was seesaws. That's pretty good. Hey, how much do we just need, like... I didn't really look, so I'm not 100% sure. How do I get crowns? Oh, that's how we get crowns. By getting fame. And then I can get the raging face. Woolly. I really want the woolly mammoth. Okay, let's play maybe 2 more games. I don't think we're getting the woolly mammoth today, sadly. Don't go face first, buddy. Whee! How do I taunt though? Like the buttons that it says that you use to taunt are not working. Do I have to like press and hold them? I don't know. Let's see while we're loading in. Oh, DoorDash. You've never failed. Actually, failed me once. But that's because of me. I don't really want to fail again. Who's ahead of me? I'm asking like who's ahead of me, like in the game. Oh, arrow fire. Arrow fire is going to be. I'm gonna get arrow fire. Okay, no, I'm not. Ah, that was a hard wall. That's real. Ah, there we go. Oh, another person broke a wall. Oh! A hacker. Not really. Oh, he got it right again? That guy's leading like a lot. Will he get it right another time? Oh, finally gets it wrong. Ha. Yay! Come on, come on. Ow! Ow! Whoa, no, we're not taking that risk again. We're not taking that risk. I'm so scared. Ah. Bye-bye. Oh, bouncing. L2 to view. Oh, you can see their names. Cool. Come on, give me something new. I haven't seen before. I mean, we got a new one today, like that matching one. I haven't been able to do slime climb yet. Well, I watched it, but yes! Finally slime climb. Yes. Let's go. Let's hope I'm not spectating this time. And this time I remember what I look. Oh, there's cameras in this one. And this time I remember what I look. Oh, there's cameras in this one. Oh, there's one. I can't really tell if there's more. Yep, there's another one there. Go! Run, everyone, run! Actually, no, don't run. Just me. All I need to do is run. The other people can just sit back and relax. They don't have to do anything, because if they do... Yeah, I'm not spectating this time because it actually does say A train. Come on. Oh, this is so scary. Oh my god. I don't like slime climb. Officially. I liked it before I had to play it. Oh, come on. Ugh. 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 Okay, well, here we go. We're about to lose. Again. I'm just going to emphasize. Hey, we got round 1 down. Yay! Let's go. And we are going to go equip cells. Oh, no. Kind of want... where is it? Oh, ooh, it looks so nice. Now I just have to oh, what about this? No, this? This isn't bad. I'll go. I think I'm just good without anything. Like, honestly. I need better colors. Oh, but I like cell. Fine, I'll do this. Confirm. Okay, we'll play another match. Oh, I look terrible. Whatever. Maybe if we get mammoth, I'll look better. Mammoth. Come on. Seesaws. I think this might be our last round. Sorry to tell you that. And then I'll record more tomorrow. And the day after. I'm not done with Fall Guys, I'll tell you that much. Oh yeah, I don't really look that well, or that good. I don't look that well. Sounds like I look sick then. Not like good looking. No! Like, no. I'm confused on what I'm saying, so I'm not surprised if you are too. Like, sick is like cool. So I don't even understand anymore. Just give up on what I'm saying. It's fine. Just give up on me. Hey. You know what? This is what we do. When this oh no, never mind. There's time for life to sprout. Oh no, please. Yes. Come on, push it to this side. No! Push it to this side. I can't make it unless it's pushed. Yes. Okay, now I can make it. Oh, one person's actually qualified. Oh, two. Oh, okay. I see what's going on now. Come on. Let's go. Okay, now we come up here. No, please. No! That wasn't a good one. Balance. This is literally what this whole game is about. Balancing yourself and the seesaw. More the seesaws than yourself, but you can balance yourself. I mean, it works. I don't even, like, do you think I can? I don't think I can. No! Now I can't because of that. No, definitely not now. Now that I look at the numbers, for sure I'm not making it. No! 2 people, which is not going to be me. There's a person taunting there as well. Yep. Well, anyways. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Wait. We're just gonna go back to outfits. We're gonna do one last thing before we leave. Change it back to this. I like it more. Then, let me just see what I look like. Yeah, that looks a lot better. And then, if we go back to shop, woolly. That looks better. But I won't be able to get it today. Pigeon! Ooh. I wish. 1 crown. Rainbow water. Well, yeah, that's it for today. I will see you another time. Bye-bye. Before we go, be sure to I keep forgetting to tell you this. Be sure to subscribe, like the video for more, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.